Okay, DIYers. What I'm getting ready to put on now is the alternator. So on the left is my original alternator from 2002 Honda, and on the right is the new alternator. So that's what I'm replacing it with. Old is on the left, new is on the right. All right, let's get busy. Okay. We are installing the new alternator. So, I'm gonna put the long bolt up here first. Okay, I'm also putting the Saez on my alternator bolt as well. Just got to make sure. Because this was pretty tough getting out as well. So. Okay. Got it on there. Make sure I'm in the camera. See, yep, got the Saez on there. Okay. Alrighty, let's get this in here. Let's see. Alternator got a little bit of weight to it. Put this through here. Okay, let me drop it. Okay. Let me get this in here. Okay. Okay, let me get that at least connected in there. This bolt. Then I'll do my bolts on the bottom. Damn. Everything's new, looking good, looking real good. I'm happy about it. I'm very, very happy about doing everything myself. You have no idea the amount of money I am saving on labor. I'm saying, I know I've said 5 to 10,000. I'm thinking 5 to 15,000, 10 to 15,000, somewhere in that area. Okay, I've got the other 2 screws on the bottom already, so those will be good to go. I'm going to get this as close as I can before I tighten it. Okay, there it is. So let me see if these other 2 screws ever. Okay, so there. See if I can screw them in. Let me just see, because they're right there. Okay, let me see. Okay, there's one. Let's see. Okay, where's that other one? Okay, they're right by each other. Wait, is that 1 and 2? That's the first one. Let's see if I can adjust it so I can actually see it, which is good. Okay, let me loosen that up. But I tell you what, hell of a lot easier taking off. I mean, putting on than taking off. Let me see. Okay, let me loosen this just a little bit, and I should be able to get in here. Cool. Okay, that one's in there, and let me see, the second one's right next to it.
let me get that. Okay. Okay, so let's go with the second one first. See. First, second. Let me see, do I need an extender? I might have to have an extension. Let me get the extender on for this. All right, got my extension. Let's see where that's at. Let's see, which way am I? Okay, so make sure it's right. Okay. Okay, let me get under here. It's right there. Let's see. Get that on there. See, hold on. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me make sure. Okay, let me make sure that I'm gonna pull my 3/8. It's a shorter extension. Okay, let me see. Hopefully this isn't too long. Okay, let me see where it's at. Okay, just got to make sure it's tight enough because it felt like it was trying to strip the bolt, so can't have that. Okay, let me see. That's it. Okay. Okay, there we go. Yes, sir. There we go. Okay, that's tight. Make sure it's in there. Okay, good. All right. Let's do this one. Good. All right, that's in there. Okay. Go back to my 1/4 quarter. Get this done. Okay. Okay. Boom. Okay. Put the cap back on here. Okay, where is... let me see. I'm looking for the... I thought I had a plug that was attached to the alternator. No? Okay. Let me put this... where's my cap at? Here it is. Okay. So let me get this. Okay, there's got to be... I'm gonna have to look at my other alternator because I know this green cap I took off of my old one. So I'm trying to figure out where does it plug in at. So let me take a look at my old one and I'll be right back.